Hey everybody, welcome to Woodness Goodness. I am Graham. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Behind me, we are continuing to build this cabin, and we got cedar siding going up, which is a pivotal moment. It's taken a lot of work to get to this point. When I do these little intros, I typically do it like 2 episodes in the future. So we're just gonna get started on the cedar siding for this episode and come up this front wall a little bit and do some other stuff, but it's coming. And I keep running out of cedar siding because some of the cedar siding is really not that great. I'm working with grade 3 and 4. It's mediocre. They don't suggest putting this kind of grade on a roof. You can do it, but for siding it works just fine. So anyhow, every time I've been running out of cedar siding, I start doing something else, whether that's trimming out a window or putting in a window. And anyhow, things are coming. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, let's get after it. Well, what do you say we just go ahead and send it? I really don't know why I wouldn't, you know? It's what I do. I send. Oh, smells good. There we go, baby. Come on, guys. Who's pumped? I'm pumped. We're gonna do it. It's gonna be great, and we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. This is a little bit all over the place. Oh, there we go. That's better. I'm just gonna have to kind of pick piece by piece. These are not the world's greatest shingles. Guys, this smells so good. So I'm probably stapling just a little bit high, but I'm gonna come down and give 6 inches per gap. So I think we're doing okay here, folks. This is where it all comes together. And what's cool about this siding, imperfection makes it look cool. Like within reason, but I think if it's not perfectly straight, like if there's some waves in it, it'll look cool, kind of like a Hobbit house. You dig me? Feel it? Row number 1, baby. Woo, 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 woo. Guys, this is gonna look freaking amazeballs. Woo! So because this is cedar siding and everything's not all perfect, we're probably gonna double up on our bottom layer. I guess we don't have to. We got like 10 inches of flashing, but we might, just because there's a couple gaps. But guys, this is awesome. Yeah, baby. Oh, so as I go up, I have to kind of wrap at least one piece around the corner on each side. That way I can do my corner weaving, which I've never done before, but I've seen some YouTube videos, and I think we're gonna be okay. Over and out. Yeah, babe. Yeah, babe. Yeah. Yeah. He shoots. He scores. Oh, alley-oop. Oh, yes. All right, because I'm doing cedar siding on this side of the wall, or this side of the cabin, I'm kind of jumping the gun a little bit. There's a lot more work I could be doing, but I'm just too excited, and I gotta put a little bit of cedar siding up because I'm excited. And this is kind of visually encouraging to see the siding go up. So it's kind of like having an energy drink, you know? Sometimes you just gotta do that little thing, make time for it or whatever. Oh man, I'm getting really motivational, aren't I? But
sometimes you just gotta do the thing that makes you happy in order to have energy to do the things that maybe don't make you as happy. That goes with these projects, and it goes in life.
So, you're welcome. Dr. Graham out. I'll probably do a second coat, but this isn't as hard as I thought it would be. I didn't want any drips to get on the cedar, but if I'm careful, I think I should be okay. this is, I guess, how you do it. Or every other section that I come up 6 inches, the opposing one will overlap. So on this one overlaps that edge. On the next one, this side will overlap this edge. And I'll work my way up. So after I do a row, I'll make sure each end has the corner weave on it. And Bob's your uncle. On this one, I'm actually gonna go under here because I already did a second layer last night, but it was too dark to film. I was just way too excited. All right, so we'll try this here. Boom, boom. And then after, you can come in here and just drill a small pilot hole and then knock a little finishing nail in there. I've seen people do that and it seems to be a good idea. Now, to get it really even and overlap, I got my little Japanese pole saw. So I'll overlap a piece. So I'll overlap a piece like so. Okay. Just like that. And then with my Japanese pole saw, I will then come here. Oh, wow. This cuts really easily. Just want to make sure I'm on target. This cedar's hard to cut because it's cedar, so it's a harder wood, but it's also really flexible. Nice and easy, boys and girls. Okay. So I'll have to come and do a little sanding or something, because that's got to come in more. But you get the point. That's pretty sweet. So then I'll just come in here, put a little nail in the side here, and that will be my corner. And then, because this one's overlapping here, so this would come up 6 inches, and then this one would be the one to overlap, just like so. Obviously I got to trim this back a bit, but guys, that's pretty sweet. Okay, well, one in Rome. Let's get after it. I was like, oh yeah, this is gonna be easy for one person to hold this super heavy galvanized roll of steel. And then the roll was like, no bro. So then it was like, oh yo, and then I'm gonna hit this steel roof right here, take a quick detour, do a little loop-de-loop, and then see you later. Nice knowing ya.